Welcome to the world of automatic cake production. Millions of cakes begin their journey with bulk raw materials. Flour and sugar are stored in giant silos. Ingredients travel through sealed pipelines to mixing stations. Powerful industrial mixers blend the batter perfectly.
The batter reaches a smooth and consistent texture.
Flavors and colors are added with robotic precision.
Robots ensure exact timing for quality control.
Empty molds line up on a high-speed conveyor belt. Automated nozzles fill each mold with identical portions. Sensors detect and adjust filling volume instantly. The molds enter massive tunnel ovens.
The cakes rise gradually under controlled heat.
Advanced thermal cameras check temperature accuracy. Perfectly baked cakes emerge golden and fluffy.
Stay cool on multi-level conveyor systems.
The pile on this velvet is excellent, very soft.
I agree. The resilience is perfect for the upholstery line.
Yeah.
Robots remove cakes from hot molds safely. Molds are washed, sanitized, and reused. The frosting process now begins.
Robotic arms apply frosting evenly on every cake.
Chocolate is melted in temperature-controlled tanks. A chocolate waterfall coats cakes beautifully. Decorations are added with precision.
Some cakes receive fresh fruit toppings.
High-speed cameras ensure decoration accuracy. Defective items are automatically rejected.
Some cakes are sliced for packaging.
Slicers cut cakes into perfect portions.
Robots place slices neatly into containers.
Packaging begins with airtight wrapping. Heat sealers lock in freshness. Laser printers apply batch and date codes. Millions of cakes travel through the conveyor lines. Robots pack products into cartons efficiently. Palletizing robots prepare shipments for transport. Pallets are moved to cold storage rooms. Cold storage preserves freshness before delivery.
that pallet on the right side quickly. Okay, moving it now.
Delivery begins to supermarkets and shops. Finally, cakes reach consumers around the world. From factory to your plate, this is the journey of a cake. This is how millions of cakes are made daily. Subscribe for more amazing factory processes.
Mini cake production follows an even faster automated system.
Parallel production lines allow 24/7 manufacturing. Muffin batter is piped with high accuracy. Machines place paper cups at high speed.
Extra toppings are added right before baking.
The rising process is carefully temperature controlled.
Cooling spirals maximize airflow and save space. Industrial fans ensure uniform cooling across batches.
Okay, let's check the center on this one.
Looks good, no voids. I'll log it as a pass.
Burnt or deformed muffins are rejected instantly. Icing is added using flowing chocolate curtains.
A fine layer of sugar adds a finishing touch.
Loaf cakes are sliced with laser precision.
Specialty flavors are processed in separate lines. A shine glaze coats each cake uniformly. Brand labels are applied by robotic printers.
AI cameras detect even microscopic defects.
Rejected items are recycled responsibly. Cream filling is made in massive tanks. Cream is injected into the sponge core. Multiple filling guns operate at extreme speed.
Thin wires slice sponge layers perfectly.
Machines assemble layered cakes with precision.
Some cakes receive fruit jelly fillings.
Decorative patterns are automated but artistic.
Operators monitor live production data. If something stops, alarms notify staff instantly.
Maintenance teams keep production running non-stop.
Machines run using clean, oil-free compressed air. Every speed setting is digitally controlled. Lab tests ensure food safety standards. Microbiological tests protect consumer health.
Nutritional information is printed clearly.
Barcode scanning ensures tracking accuracy. Cartons are formed from flat sheets. Food-safe glue seals the cartons instantly.
Cakes are placed inside cartons by robotic arms.
Each box is weighed for accuracy.
Incorrect weights are rejected immediately. Shrink wrap protects boxes during transport. Pallet wrapping prepares for safe shipping. Forklifts move pallets to the dispatch stage.
Large factories ship to multiple destinations simultaneously.
Trucks use GPS tracking for live route monitoring.
Refrigerated trucks keep cakes fresh.
Shipments arrive at supermarkets daily.
Look at this huge blue one. This is mine. And I got the sparkly pink one.
Perfect texture shows expert production quality.
Okay, who wants the first piece?
Oh, me, I do. It looks wonderful, baby.
From raw ingredients to packaged perfection.
AI optimizes production speed and efficiency.
Hygiene is maintained using cleaning robots. UV tunnels sanitize equipment continuously. Steam sterilization ensures germ-free tools.
Staff receive regular training and safety updates.
Safety protocols are strictly followed.
This panel controls the release mechanism. As you can see, the gas fully engulfs the equipment, preventing fire spread without damaging the machinery.
Sensors predict when a machine needs maintenance.
Reports show performance and quality rates.
The throughput on Station 4 is lagging by 10%.
I see that. Adjust the servo speed by 5 milliseconds.
Modern factories shift to energy-efficient systems.
Heat recovery systems reduce energy waste. Recycled water is used for cleaning and cooling. Eco-friendly packaging reduces plastic waste.
Factories upgrade packaging materials frequently.
AI forecasts demand by region and season.
special cakes are created for festivals.
Theme-based decorations attract customers.
Packaging changes based on the season.
Exports include multilingual packaging.
Large shipments are transported via cargo ships. Exports travel to countries worldwide. Some shipments fly internationally by air.
Humidity and temperature are controlled in flight.
Customs inspect products before clearance.
Imported cakes stock foreign markets too.
The cake industry operates globally. Production runs 24 hours a day. Real-time error detection improves output quality.
Output increases during peak seasons.
Speed lowers automatically for maintenance.
Special bearings reduce friction and wear.
Installation complete. Confirmed, the upgrade was successful.
Modern factories are faster and more efficient.
Ingredients are color-coded for safety.
Flavors flow through transparent tubes. Every swirl is precision engineered.
Softness proves the sponge quality.
QR codes allow customers to trace origin.
Bliss. Warehouse scanning ensures accurate inventory.
Automated racks organize products efficiently. Vertical storage saves valuable floor space.
Inventory robots maintain 24/7 productivity.
Energy consumption is monitored live.
Waste is recycled or repurposed.
Some factories donate surplus to charity. Mixing, baking, cooling, decorating, packaging, everything works in harmony.
Modern cake factories redefine food production.
This is how millions of cakes are produced every single day.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more amazing factory processes, make sure to hit the like button, drop a comment,